So the next commandment in the 10 commandments of Amazon is about brands. And Amazon really likes brands, at least its own definition of what a brand is. In order to be a brand on Amazon, you have to get into something called the Amazon Brand Registry. And to do that requires a trademark from the US Patent and Trademark Office. Once you get in, you'll be able to protect your intellectual property, such as copyright violations or trademark violations for your books or whatever else you're selling. But being in the Amazon Brand Registry also grants you special marketing powers. Amazon stores, which is that picture on the right, as well as special types of advertisements, product videos, and even brand demographics for certain brands. Let's take a look at my own Amazon store. So this is my store for In 30 Minutes guides. If you go to amazon.com/in30minutes, you'll see it. I have this banner at the top. I have pictures. I have the products I'm selling. And you can see different types of books and other products that I'm selling under this particular brand. So this is something that I have as a publisher because I have a registered brand on Amazon. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.